What's going on? I'm back with another keyboard video. Got a lot of stuff in this weekend, so I'm just trying to record everything. I'm going to be taking a hopefully quick look at the iLovBee 60%. Essentially what this is a slightly modified RK61 for $22. So this thing is going to probably be insane. There's not even any tape. Okay, this packaging, very standard. We got the little plastic sleeve and then manual, which I might actually not need because there's some printing on these. Now already, I can't believe this is $22, dude. This is insane. Also in here, if I remember correctly, we get a cable that was supposed to be kind of interesting, but yeah, the listing, it had something about the cable being able to go into like tablet mode. This is just a normal, just a normal cable. Now this is a cable that is in the box just so there's a cable in case you don't have one. It's not good. I'm leaving that in there. But what I'm not leaving in there is this keycap switch puller combo. I am really happy it comes with this because I don't have one of these 2-in-1 things. This is just convenient. So I'm actually going to take this out of the plastic and I'm keeping this over here with me. Wire keycap puller and competent switch puller. I use one of these kinds standalone, and it works. Probably not as good as like this NK one, but the last time I had a generic one of these and it broke, so it's good to have multiple switch pullers and stuff. Okay, so this shouldn't take very long. Essentially, like I said, what it says is it should be an RK61 really for $22, but there's some things that are better here. First of all, so this comes with plate foam and PCB foam pre-installed. Comes with their own brand of red switches, though they're probably outemu to be honest. These keycaps, they are much better than what comes on the RK61 because those actually come with some pretty thin double shot ABS, and these are double shot PBT, and they're not even backlit. So let's see here, and they have the functions UV or laser etched, maybe. No, this seems to be probably they're pad printed or something, their functions. But if we look here, these boys are thick. $22 keyboard. Now let me get my impressions of the sound. Wait. Okay, the stabs obviously are gonna need work. These are a million times better than on the ACR 61, dude. Could I use this stock? Wow. Alright, dude. There's no way that this is going to be $26 for long. I hate to overhype stuff. If you like 60%, there is no reason not to give this a try. I kind of don't even want to mod this. And then it has the my preferred arrow keys, where the function's on the corner, and then that. Then you can switch between Windows and Mac mode. It has your functions printed on the sides here. These keycaps, again, these are really smooth for PBT. This is kind of like that one clone set I was talking about in Cherry profile. These are OEM profile, but really? To hear spring ping, I literally have to put the back right up to my ear. It's crazy. There's no spring ping. These are smooth. Dude. You can just use this stock. Honestly, people aren't gonna care. This isn't, these stabilizers aren't bad to the point of like, oh gosh, I hate this. Like, to be honest with my standards, sometimes I can't even get them this good consistently. The only thing if I want to make this perfect, the only thing I might do is clip the stabilizers on the shorter mods. Because the spacebar rattles a bit, but it's not like ticky. And that's the only place where I get the sound of hollowness extremely. I mean, I bet a tape mod on here would make it sound even better. I want to take a quick look at the RGB, actually. And my keyboard I had on my desk was my 5-degree with MT3 keycaps. Yeah, wow. This RGB is a lot brighter than I anticipated. Yeah, again, it doesn't really show on camera. The other video from Mark I saw on this, the video doesn't do it justice. This is, you know, just your, like, what you would expect from RGB. I thought it was going to be a lot dimmer, actually. Let me see. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, so weird. It's reversed. By default, these are arrow keys. That's something. And then you have to hold function to get to the regular. Now, yeah, this is impressive. I get hollowness around the modifiers. Yep. I haven't done this before, but I'm actually going to link this in the description. This is pretty fantastic. Very fantastic. Like, $22, right? I was not expecting, like, perfection, and it's not perfect, but I don't really, like, this is great. Like, at this price, you could just have this as, like, a throw-around travel keyboard, and this is great. Yeah, this recording was a lot shorter. I just wanted to take a quick look at this because this is impressive value. Matter of fact, let me go see what the Amazon listing looks like right now. Okay, so on this Amazon listing currently, it is $24.79 with an extra 10% discount. Yep. So $22.31 is what this would currently come down to. I would say even up to $30. This is still a fantastic value, in my opinion. $40? First, I was going to say $40 probably wouldn't be the best buy, but I'm starting to rethink that. Yeah, so the only difference between this and the RK61 is the fact that this hot swap PCB, well, the PCB is just different. What they do is, I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, I'm pretty sure this is the new replacement for those outemu swap sockets. What these are is they're full 5-pin, and they do accept any switch, and you don't need to have the outemu compatible ones with the really thin pins. But I'm pretty sure on the PCB, it's like each socket on the hot swap, it's not one long hot swap socket. There's two where each pin goes, and it's two separate little pieces. And I think that's kind of where those cheap outemu hot swap keyboards are going to go. But for $30 or under, dude, this is a game changer in my opinion. I know a lot of newcomers aren't gonna like the fact that they can't see their RGB through the legends. But honestly, with even customizing your keyboards, not even going custom, you gotta get used to that a bit. Like, shine through keycaps, there aren't really great options. But I remember when I started, dude, these keycaps alone probably would have been the price of the board. A keyboard like this, it would be a lot worse, and it would be $50+ The stabilizers would be awful. This is fantastic, and if you want a 60%, I'd say 100% go for this. this was just awesome to see. But yeah, thanks for watching, and here's the sound test.